SIMCAR performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIMCAR off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Yeah, my toe.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Mine is fourth.